The construction of local metro facilities in the ancient Greek port city of Thessaloniki have uncovered a massive stash of thousands of archaeological treasures from different periods of Thessaloniki's history. This booty includes a decumanus, an east-west oriented road, one of the primary highways of the time, along with a Byzantine avenue. Thessaloniki's traced with momentous Greek and Roman heritage. There are architectural remains of many 15th to 17th century buildings built on top of the remains of Hellenistic and Roman buildings. A nymphaeum, a marble-paved square, a bathhouse heated by an underfloor hypocaust system, and a large mosaic with intricate geometric patterns. There is even a paved road with colonnades and a line of Byzantine period shops and workshops. Stunning images of the same have been released by Attiko Metro SA. The metro follows the path of the ancient decumanus, which now serves as the main historical avenue cutting through Thessaloniki, reported Archaeo News. The ancient road begins at the famed Golden Gate, Porta Aurea, the contemporaneous Vardario Square, all the way to Cassandriotic Gate, known today as Sintraveni Square. Currently, the excavation of Thessaloniki is the largest in northern Greece and covers an area of as much as 2,100 square kilometers. According to Archaeo News, over 300,000 artifacts have been uncovered so far, dating to the 4th century before Christ, excavated from 6 of the 12 station sites currently under construction. This figure is likely to increase immensely as the rest of the sites are excavated. The unearthed artifacts are likely to be exhibited at the stations where they were uncovered, as well as 2 new museums set to be created before the end of the year. The Thessaloniki Metro excavation that keeps on giving. Owing to its strategic placement along the Thermaic Gulf of the Aegean Sea, Thessaloniki received a fair bit of human traffic throughout its history. Located in the Macedonian region, it is Greece's second largest city today, and new finds from various phases of its history keep popping up at frequent intervals, including the declaration of Thessaloniki as a Byzantine Pompeii during 2013 metro excavations. In 2012, a pre-Cassandrian small town from the 4th century before Christ was discovered in Pelaia during excavations of the main line of the metro. It led to an ensuing 31-acre excavation in the area, with part of the city being laid out according to the Hippodamian grid plan, an urban planning system along the line of the great cities of Macedonia, Olynthios, and Pella. Thessaloniki, a checkered history of power and prestige. These finds are not surprising. After all, Thessaloniki was known as Symvasilavusa, or the co-reigning city of the Byzantine Empire, alongside Constantinople. Prior to that too, Thessaloniki had a strong economy and established socio-political structures and institutions, with the greatest development occurring in the second half of the 4th century. In 315 BC, Cassandros founded the city, though it was briefly abandoned after the fall of the Kingdom of Macedon in 168 BC. It regained its prestige and importance with the emergence of Rome as a trading hub with a vital highway running through it, known as the Via Egnatia, connecting Byzantium with Dyrrhachium.